Welcome back to Product Zone. If you like to get your hands dirty and you have a small property and you like to do stuff yourself, this is a Thatching rake. It's basically a detaching rake. I'm going to show you guys up close with a very long, sturdy handle. The rake is about 15-inch wide and the handle will go from 40-inch to all the way to 70-inch. This is not your average rake that you will rake leaf and you rake all that stuff. This here is really basically preparation for if you're gonna reseed, seed, or even if you're gonna fertilize, or if you want to do a spring cleanup. This is a rake which you will do manual. I also have the tool, the electric tool that you could detach and scarify and stuff like that, but this is basically a detach. So we're gonna get like all the dead grass, dead debris, and we're gonna also use it to make some nice fresh cuts into the soil, loosen it up a little bit without damaging too much. Right here we could adjust the angle. You can see right here we could adjust this angle, the head part, to go deeper, higher, light, depends how far. If you want to get in there, angle it. We're gonna loosen this up a little bit, loosen it up, and then we're gonna tilt the head down a little bit like that. See, make it a little bit more aggressive. We're gonna go 3/4. There's my guy walking around. Look at him. Hey, Titan. So alright, so we're gonna make it up to there and just tighten this bad boy up. He's nosy. My big helper, all right? Yeah, he's daddy's big helper. Look at that. Man, getting everything out. This way, you're gonna get more oxygen to your grass root, and this way you're gonna get a better grass, greener grass. Trust me, my grass in the back here is no good. All right, let me keep doing something. Look, see, it got stuck, so we just push it forward like that. See that little trick? Then you bring everything. So I'm gonna keep going, get everything. You could also use this in your garden soil. Detach your garden soil up a little bit. It's really helped to loosen up it. Look, we just did a little bit and you could see the difference. You could see how this is more like stick together. This is more like loosen up and more fluffy. So that is a good thing. This here is good. So look, we just got to get more out. Good. But this is a 15-inch, so that's a good thing too. You want to get more wider one if you have bigger property. Stuff like this, you could compost this back, recompost this, you know, don't waste anything like that. If you have a big lawn, please do not use this. You really need get a machine. I do have a good machine. I'll leave the link there. So right here, look, we have patch. This would loosen up the soil. We're going to use the sharp edges right here. You also have the one with the little bit curve in there too. But I just wanted to show you. Look, see that? So it depends how deep you do it. So it leaves cuts. And once you leave cuts, that's loosening up the soil a little bit there. And once you loosen up the soil, when we seed or fertilize, they go between there. And then when you water, the water press everything down, and that's how everything will grow much faster, or feed your grass much faster. Right, Cali Bear? It's my other dog. We got big helpers here. So far, I'm telling you, this is not a bad tool. But as I said, make sure to get heavy duty there. Where is this from even? WORKPRO. Listen, I had to get one, so I just picked one up. And this bad boy, I like the green and black handle. And very soft over here too. So that was another reason why I got it. And it's long enough. You could change the height. You could unscrew one section to another section and make it however high you want. All right, so I got my hands cut out. I'm gonna go ahead and do more, but so far I'm gonna tell you something. This is heavy duty quality, really good sturdy quality, and it gets the job done. If you have a big property, do not get this. Get a machine. You will save your back, you will save your arms, shoulder, and legs. All right, small property, small garden, and you need this. This is basically detaching, helping for seeding, helping for fertilizing, spring cleaning, keeping your place more healthy, more free, giving your roots for your grass to breathe a little bit more better. Check in the description below for price and details, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Honest review. If this thing was crappy or no good, I would have let you know, but it was made really well.